Good?
Yep.
Man.
We need a break for that.
Welcome back to the channel. Bryce and Wes fishing.
There's Bryce. And there's Mr. Chris Tweety.
With Topwater Kayak Charters. Now you're living the dream. So, video drop for you. Chris just put us on a monster red, and guess who fought it and brought it in? Now, we did have to throw in Chris's line to actually get a good hook set. But anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. And as always, thanks for watching. That's a good one. I mean, that's a keeper, right? No, we're not. My sister's gonna go.
You're right on the money. It is 15 and a half.
Chris has been out here a few times.
Is it really without any dot?
Yeah.
16's the minimum.
Are you good? I'm recording.
So they're all gonna be about that.
You want to release them on this side? There goes lunch. Sorry, Brittany. All right.
Holy crap!
Thought you said 20 inches.
Hey, yeah. I hope you caught more fish than him earlier.
Are you serious? That's bigger. That might be your PB.
Good action. Nice job, man. That thing's like 35 or 6. I know you're all jazzed up. Man, that's a hell of a thing making fish.
Now we can go. Good job.
Keep over the side of the boat.
You want to stand up with it?
We're about to back into the...
Okay. Let me just get a couple pictures. Do we need a bigger board?
Yep.
How big are ours?
Ours are 32.
Ours 32.
Ours are not any longer. We'll just round it up. Good 40, right?
It's like 36.
Good job.
That's what we were after.
Good?
Yep.
Man.
We need a break for that.
Well, we know what we're rigging up tomorrow. Good job, baby.
I wasn't expecting a lot of chase fish like that, but like, whatever. But
All right, so we're all wrapped up with Topwater Kayak Charters Thanks for everything, Chris. We won't forget it. This is the first time Bryce and I have put our kayaks in saltwater. Saltwater fishing is totally different than bass fishing. There are ramps you could only specifically put in at a certain time. You only had maybe a 4 or 5 hour window of fishing. Of course, Chris knew all of that. Chris is more familiar with just the saltwater behaviors of the fish, what the fish are doing. When Bryce caught that big red, we were kind of anchored up on a bank, and Chris told us, hey, if you're gonna take a break, now's the time to do it because the tide's about to shift and the temperature's about to change and it's gonna be on. But I kid you not, 5-10 minutes later, Bryce is out in the middle of the water pulling in a 36-inch redfish. The first day we went out, we were catching back-to-back redfish and a little bit of flounder mixed in. Out of respect for Chris, we've left off the location of some of the places where we fish. For new customers coming in, he wants areas where there's just not a lot of people fishing, obviously, right? You want y'all to have the best experience possible. So for that reason, we left off the locations. So if you want to find the fish and know those secret spots, you gotta call Chris. Topwater Kayak Charters is a sponsor of Bryce and I's club back home, Queen City Kayak Bass Fishing. So of course we wanted to support those who support us. Thanks again, Chris. If anybody needs any information about Chris, everything is in the description. It's website, social media links, telephone number, anything you need. If you've never fished before, no problem. If you don't have a kayak, no problem. Chris is used to taking people out that have never fished and they don't have their kayaks. They even provide you with their own gear. Bryce and I had our own, but a lot of times he takes people out that just have nothing. So give him a call. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate you, brother. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. And as always, thanks for watching.